बच्चों, let's see the question here. The second ionization energy of calcium is dash than the ionization energy of calcium. Here we will start our solution and सबसे पहले हम start करेंगे with the key concept in this case. So key concept will be that as we know ionization energy क्या होती है? Energy required to remove one electron from outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. And जो ionization energy होती है, this is inversely proportional to radius of atom, and ionization energy, this is directly proportional to effective nuclear charge. This is effective nuclear charge. That means if we talk here that along a period and along a group, how ionization energy change. So in case of a period, ionization energy increases because radius decreases if we move along a period. And in case of a group, when we move down a group, ionization energy, it decreases because in this case radius will increase. अब हमें यहाँ पे पूछा गया है कि second ionization energy of calcium is dash than the ionization energy of calcium. That means calcium की ही different ionization energy को compare किया जा रहा है. If we talk about the first, second and third ionization energy of any element, तो जैसे जैसे आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी का नंबर इंक्रीज करेगा वैल्यू भी इंक्रीज होगी बिकॉज यहाँ पे हमने क्या बोला है कि इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज के डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी की वैल्यू. सो आफ्टर फर्स्ट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी क्या होगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव हो चुका होगा, दैट मीन्स इफेक्टिव न्यूक्लियर चार्ज और ज्यादा इंक्रीज करेगा. सो ड्यू टू दैट आयनाइजेशन एनर्जी, दैट इज third ionization energy, it is greater than second ionization energy, and this is greater than first ionization energy in any element. Hence the second ionization energy of calcium, this is higher than the first ionization energy of calcium. We know that outermost shell of calcium, it have 4s 2 orbital. That means after this second ionization energy, it will attain stable configuration of inert gases, but still second ionization energy value will be higher than the first one because इस केस में क्या होगा, effective nuclear charge होगा वो increase करेगा. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.